So hey guys, welcome back to a new video guys, making a video after long days after. So hope you all are doing well guys, and so today's topic is gonna be a very different one because today I'm gonna show you some videos and after seeing them you are gonna tell,
bro, isn't this food wastage?
yeah, you can also tell that also because it's like that only.
समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो
So this was about the topic. Now I want to talk something with you. My music video, the Hira Ranja instrumental, crossed 1K video in just 9 days. So it's a very big achievement for me that we hit just 1K views in just 9 days. It means what could be more better than this? And secondly, now we are a 2K family guys. So thank you so much for all your love that you have given to me and for supporting me. I never expected to finally complete this milestone. My first milestone was 1K subscribers. Then I completed my 10,000 views.
बिल्कुल चुप हिम्मत कैसे हुई तेरी मुंह खोलने की
And now it's 2K. Hope to complete our 10K subscribers also. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, in this video we can see that two people are going to complete 5 kg mutton biryani in just 8 minutes. Means 2.5 kg each. Seriously, in 8 minutes? So now they're starting the challenge. They have before also done many weird challenges. They started their challenge. And now they have done fast forward and eating. So let's move to the end of the video. Okay, now they have came to the end of the video. Actually, I didn't see. So they both have completed. Her son has completed in 17 minutes 37 seconds. He took 17 minutes. And he has taken 8 minutes 35 seconds to complete 2.5 kg of biryani. And also he is telling that it is not enough for him. He is telling to try this. No, we don't want to try this. Means seriously guys, who eats 2.5 kg of biryani in just 8 minutes? Seriously? Means 1 year ago I think I heard a rumor also, or I don't know, I actually don't know the news nicely, that this man had died of doing a challenge of eating 100 boiled eggs. I don't know if it is true. If you know, comment down below.
गजब बेइज्जती है
I don't know, but I heard this rumor that he died. I have not seen his every video. Actually, I was surfing. I thought to make a video, so I made this. So this was the first video. Now let's move to the second video. So guys, this is the second video, and in this video we can see this lady is gonna eat this much of food, and you know what she's gonna do? Absolutely ASMR, which is the most viral videos nowadays in YouTube. Means in this 14 minute 41 seconds video, she's just gonna crunch her teeth and show us that she is eating. Let's see, let's fast forward this or skip this and go to the end of the video, because in 14 minutes I can make a whole video. So guys, now came at the most end of the video, and now you can see there is nothing left in the table. She is having a last bites of a chocolate cake. Means seriously. Now also she is crunching and crunching.
Okay. Finish it.
Done. Video finished. Means after eating for 14 minutes 41 seconds, she just gave this. From today also I will end my video like this only. So guys, in this video we can see that this guy is gonna bath in 600 pounds of Nutella.
को पैसा बर्बाद।
I hope you all know what is Nutella.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल।
Means seriously, he's just pouring the whole bottles in it. 600 pounds. Now see what's. Means after doing this challenge, he must have had to clean the bathroom for hours. I'm sure. See the bottles. How many bottles are there? And now, okay, he's bathing in that now.
So let's go in.
He's dancing it. He's feeling very happy to see that. Now you wanna see what happened to his bathroom at the end of the video? I will show you that. So guys, now see what is the means, what should I say? I have no words to say. Yuck. He's eating it. See. This guy's name is Simre or Simre. You can say anything. You can search in it YouTube. He has not been active for 4 years in YouTube, and he has finally again came back and started to make videos. He can't even get up. He's so sticky with the Nutella. I have nothing to say about
Thank
this.
you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed
Let's
this
move
video,
to the
give it a big thumbs up.
fourth video.
So
Guys, in this video we can see that there's a lady and she is going to eat 8 whole bottles of mayonnaise, and she has taken a Guinness World Record in this. She has started eating.
2, 1, go.
Means how? First of all, she is not eating the whole. You can see some are falling, some are going out from her mouth. Means you believe, guys, that this type of challenges also could be there. Means not challenges, records. Eating mayo became a record. I think I should make a video on this also. See? Let's fast forward it because we don't have that much time.
Grams. In today's attempt, you consumed 2,448 grams of mayonnaise, which is a new Guinness World Records
she has
title.
finished it.
Congratulations!
I think the first time anyone has ever said that out loud too.
I can't hear how much
If
time
you
she
are
has
planning to
taken.
enter the speed eating world, I would recommend knowing someone who knows the Heimlich
She's very
so that
happy
you're
with
safe
it.
at all times. I would also recommend
She's
never
also
trying one of
recommending
my
us to
records,
eat it.
But there's a couple other
She
records
got
out
the
there that
award.
you can try to beat. And it's a good idea.
The Guinness
Not
Book
mine.
Award. Let's end this video here only, and I'm gonna talk something. So guys, by this we have came to the end of our today's video. Hope you all like it, guys. Actually, I have posting this video after 10 to 11 days after posting my music cover. So as I'm seriously thinking, as there was nothing to do, I was writing in my diary what we can do, what we cannot do. After surfing a lot, I got this. So now you only tell me, isn't this food waste? Means bathing in 1250, not that also, then the Nutella. 600 pounds of Nutella means how many bottles it took. First of all is the wastage of money. Secondly is the wastage of food. Nothing else, guys. So hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Anish Vlogs. Till then, meet you in the next video, and till then, stay safe.